What is up, YouTube? It's your boy GDG, man. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having a blessed day, blessed week. So today I had the idea of pranking my little brother. We're gonna do this bloody cough prank on him. I'm just gonna put some blood in my mouth and let's start coughing it out and see how he reacts. So right now I think he's at school still, so we're gonna wait till he gets here. But I'm gonna ask him if he wants to record a video, like a normal video. But what he doesn't know is we're gonna be pranking him. We're gonna be pranking him good. So I'm gonna put some of this blood in my mouth and start coughing it out and see how it reacts. So hopefully we get a good reaction. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and leave a like and subscribe. Join my journey to 100 subscribers. It means a lot to me. I love you guys. Hit the like button if you enjoy, and let's get it. Let's get it. I got that California. We're going to try not to laugh.
I need to go pee.
Two hours later.
No, just do it open. My throat hurts. My throat hurts. Alrighty. 3, 2, 1. What is up, YouTube? It's your boy GDG, man. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a blessed day, blessed week. So today I have my brother. Let's start over. Alright, guys. So today I have my brother Zach with me. We're gonna be doing Try Not to Laugh. We're gonna be reacting to one of the newest Vine compilations. I think it just came out like not too long ago. We're gonna go ahead and react to that. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and leave a like and subscribe. We appreciate all your love and support. It means a lot. You ready? Alright, go close the door real quick.
Jesus Christ. What the heck? What the heck?
What the heck? What is that? What is that?
Go get a towel, go get a towel. Zach, get a towel.
He needs some milk.
What is that?
Greg.
His throat started hurting.
Oh my God!
What have you been putting in your mouth?
Nothing.
Nothing? That's why it's all black.
Make sure you don't get it in it.
You got pranked.
That doesn't even look like blood.
Alright, guys, that tasted nasty. Alright, guys, so I just pranked Zach. What do you have to say? Did I get you good? You thought I actually vomited? Alright, guys, so I just pranked Zach and my dad too. It's all over my shirt. It's even like on the, I don't know if you can see, it's on the floor right there. I was just planning on for it to like just fall on my shirt like that, but I just like spit everything out and it got on my laptop and everything. Now I gotta clean all this up. But that's gonna be it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. It's our first prank of the channel. Well, I got my brother and he went to go call my dad, and I got my dad too. So that stuff tastes nasty. I don't think it's supposed to be in your mouth. It looked like black. It wasn't really like red. It was like black stuff. It looked like from something from The Exorcist or something.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah, it was like black puke. If you want me to do more pranks, go ahead and leave a like and subscribe. Let me know if you enjoy these types of videos and you want me to do more pranks.
I thought it was oil.
Thought it was oil. That's gonna be it for this video, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Stay blessed, and I'll see y'all guys in the next video. Peace out.
Grinding all day and all night.